In the series of the lectures of e-commerce, the next lecture is again on the electronic data interchange, and in this we will cover the topics: what is EDI effect, how EDI effect form, and EDI effect standards. So what is EDI? EDI effect is an acronym for the electronic data interchange for administration, commerce, and transport. It coordinates international standardization by working through UN, United Nations Economic Commission for Europe. It provides an international EDI standard, a set of syntax rules, data elements, segments, and codes and messages. EDI effect is the product of the evolution in bringing the proprietary standards in the US and Europe together to form a single international EDI standard. Here, understand this with the help of a diagram. This is the proprietary of the US and this is the proprietary of Europe. Then TDCC, Transport Data Coordinating Committee of the US, and ANSI, and guidelines for trade data interchange of UK. So what were the rules over here and what were the rules over here? They combined all the rules, and after that it becomes the EDI effect. It is electronic data interchange, and for internationally, and when it comes with the UN, then it becomes the UN EDI effect, and this UN EDI effect becomes the international standards for all type of industries. These are some EDI standards for chemical, CEFIC standard; for retail, ANCOM; for construction, EDI, VDB; high-tech industry, EDI, FICI; for furniture, EDI, FURN; for gas, EDI gas, and so on. For all types of businesses, we have some standards. So when an organization uh, transfers the data electronically, or billing the data, or billing the, or making the invoices, so they must follow these some kinds of standards. Then UN EDI fact standards. United Nations Electronic Data Interchange for Administration, Commerce, and Transport. This EDI consists of UN EDI fact and data exchange. In the previous lecture, we have studied about the data exchange. Here, the data exchange is done with the help of communications technology like uh, network technology or internet, FTP, file transfer protocol, HTTP protocols, etc. etc. So data exchange is here. And what is this UNEDI effect? This UNEDI effect consists of syntax, data elements, segments, and messages. What are the syntax, data elements, segments, and messages? Let's understand this. Syntax. The syntax defines the exact rules for structuring data into segments, segments into messages, and messages into an interchange. Data elements. Data element is the smallest unit in an EDI effect file. Data items are codes, values, and qualifiers. Segments. Group of similar data elements called segments. Segments consist of a tag or and data elements. The tag identifies the data segment. Messages are made up of data segments, example order date or buyer's name and address. Syntax. Syntax defines the exact rule for structuring data into segments, segments into messages, and messages into an interchange. All the information is divided into the parts like segments and messages with the help of some rules. That rules are called the syntax. After that, data elements. Data element is the smallest unit, is an EDI fact. Data items are codes, values, and qualifiers. For example, there are some barcodes or QR codes of the product, and values and qualifiers. So, what is the value of that product? How much the quality and quantity of that data is there exist? So every these small things are called the data elements. Segments. When the similar type of data elements club together, this is called the segment. Meaning is there are some the data is of books. So books, the codes of that book, the values and quantity and quality of that books. So book is a one segment, and the other segment is of, let's understand. Let's take an example of toy. So books and toys, there are two data elements. So segments, the information about all the books becomes the one segment, and information about all the toys is the another segment. I hope it is clear to you the meaning of segment. Messages. Messages are made up of data segments, example, order date or buyer's name and address, to whom we need to deliver the books. So that order date and buyer's name should be mentioned under the message, and to whom the toys should be delivered. So all the information regarding the order date, buyer name and address should be and comes under the messages of each product. Message structure of UNEDI effect. Let's understand the structure with the help of diagram. This diagram is very easy to understand. It looks complicated, but it is not a complicated. It's very easy to understand. First of all, every interchange of electronic data is depends on the communication transport protocol. If there is no transport protocol, that is the backbone, so there is no interchange. So all these things comes under the communication transport protocol. So communication transfer comes under the communication transport protocol. After this, interchange control header. Let's understand the concept of this. Um, Interchange control header. The meaning of this is interchange envelope. When we do a general post, when we do a letter, when we do a posting of a letter always put in some envelope. Similarly, electronically, how to make that envelope? So all the information should be gathered into that envelope, and on the envelope, we must write the address and to whom we are sending that address. So all the information must be written electronically in the envelope. So that envelope is called the interchange control header, and all the information comes between the header and the trailer. If the header is the starting point of that information, and let's see this, and interchange control trailer, that means the information is end by this. So every information comes between the header and the trailer. Okay, then message header segment. As we know that we have divided the information into the segments, so the every segment has its own header, and the information where that information is end, that is end with the help of trailer. So this is how the information is controlled in the EDI. The topmost unit on an EDI effect message is the interchange, which can be thought of as an envelope. The interchange defines the message recipient, the message sender, the message number, the message date, etc. UNB is an interchange header and UNZ is an interchange trailer. And interchange can in turn contain several individual groups representing message groups. Alternatively, an interchange can also contain individual messages. Mixing of individual messages and message group within an interchange is not allowed. A message itself is enclosed by a header and a trailer segment. A message group is surrounded by an UNG and UNE segment. Within a message, there are several segments and segment groups which represent individual related message parts. A segment group is initiated by a so-called trigger element. Segment consists of data elements and composite data elements. The smallest unit of an ADFF file are simple data elements.